All right, we got all 3 skis. Got my cousin Gavin. Gonna be trying out the stand-up jet skis today. The gas really does help you. If you start to fall, you just give it more gas and it kind of levels the ski back out.
Okay.
But yeah, you're doing good.
Awesome.
Kind of be basically like you're getting ready to start a foot race.
Okay.
So yeah,
foot forward, right foot back. Kind
Yeah.
of.
So you're actually jumping up on it now, easy.
Trying to stay up.
Initially get up on the skis, the hardest part.
I'm still trying to get down. Like going faster is more stable. It's like you want to slow down when you're about to fall, but it doesn't help at all.
Yeah.
And really, you don't learn. You learn faster the more you fall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up already.
Yeah, he's feeling more confident on that one.
Foot forward and back. Oh.
I'll go pick him up.
Going good, man. You're getting it.
Yeah. I think this one's definitely easier to stand on. Yeah. I keep my balance better.
All right, Gav, you tried the 4-stroke jet skis. Which one's your favorite? The SXR?
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's a lot heavier, so it's a lot easier to stay balanced on it. And the extra power is fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like turning's easier. Standing up on this one's easier, so
Yeah.
finding more joy out of that.
Now this is your first time stand-up jet skiing. What do you think?
It's awesome.
Get you on the 2-stroke. See how you like that. It's gonna be definitely a lot trickier. What do you think of the 2-stroke versus the 4-stroke?
Honestly, it might be my favorite.
Yeah.
I like the power, even though it's less power, it's like more controllable, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's more instantaneous too.
Yeah.
It's like right there when you want it.
I feel like when you slow it down, it slows down quicker.
Okay, yeah, the intake rate is a little bit more aggressive on that one.
Yeah, I like this one a lot though.
Oh yeah, they're
The
fun.
noise is cool.
Yeah, they sound really neat.
Yeah.
You're lucky your shoe
I
floated.
didn't know it was
I told you time tight. Might lose
yeah,
it.
no one nodded them, but still.
Yeah, that jet's pretty powerful. It'll knock them right off.
Yeah.
All right, Gav, you've tried all 3 skis. Which one's your favorite?
This blue Yamaha's over there.
The blue Yamahas?
Yep.
2 strokes? All right.